Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure by now you all know how much I love making like fashion videos, but I've only recently started experimenting with makeup and skincare, which is why I did a little shopping. Amazon has their great Indian festival sale going on, and they have some really amazing deals like lightning deals, there is steel deal, there are like prime only deals. So yeah, and also there's one of my favorite deals, which is after the discounted price, when you scroll down you get like coupons like 5% off or 10% off, and you get additional discount. I've mostly used that discount in most of my orders. Wow, mostly used it in most of my orders. Anyway, I'll leave the shade name and everything in the description box below. Also, since I'm a Prime member, I got all the products delivered I think within 2 or 3 days, which is great. Anyway, I got a lot of products, so let's get started. So the first thing is the Kama Ayurveda Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub. I've used like few testers of it and I finally decided to invest in a full size. The consistency is amazing and it's a really mild and gentle scrub. It's not like a very harsh scrub. Also, I think I love anything that has kumkumadi in it. I think it gives like a nice brightening effect. So Amazon also has like combo deals, like combos that are already decided and they're like really nicely curated, so you can trust them. I got this one. I love the Colossal Kajal and the eyeliner. Sorry, the Kajal and the eyeliner both. I've used it in the past. It's like super affordable and really nice. Like in case you're looking for like a jet black eyeliner under a budget, this is for you. So the next thing I got is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. I've been wanting to try this since a really long time. I've heard so many good reviews about this, and also the packaging is so luxe. The wand looks really thin and promising, and yeah, I cannot wait to try this. I love this so much. I already had the champagne color and I got ahead and got the silver as well this time. The only thing that you should keep in mind when you're using this is that it dries really quickly. तो जैसे ही apply कर लिया, supposed to smudge it फटाफट. Otherwise, it will stay like this only. Also, once you've applied your eyeshadow and you apply this on top, that's it. You don't have anything to worry about. This will just make your eyes pop. And the glitter is really amazing. Next, I got this really interesting eyeshadow palette. I've been wanting to like experiment those Pinteresty eye makeup looks, and especially the ones where they put like a pink color on the corners and all. So yeah, I got this one. All the colors look really nice and pigmented, and of course like मैं कुछ भी खरीदने से पहले I try that I go through different videos and people who've used it, तो उससे क्या थोड़ा ज़्यादा idea मिल जाता है कि कैसे लगेगा. But yeah, I'm so excited to try this, especially this pink shade right here. So nice and bright and perfect for the festive season. So if you've been following me since a while, you know how much I love this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It's so nice. It has the gel, the brown powder thing, and the darker shade. So basically you're supposed to start with the gel thing and then use the light brown color. I don't know if they had a spoolie earlier or they added just now. I'll give you one inside tip that I use. So this dark brown shade that you see, I use it whenever I'm tying like a ponytail. So यहाँ पे to fill the gaps, I use this dark brown shade. So I think by now I've only used 2 to 3 foundations, like different brands, and I personally love two. One is the Bobbi Brown one that you see in most of my videos, and the other one is this Fit Me foundation. I don't know why, for some reason I just get small bottles and then use it up and then get a new bottle. So I'm in the shade 128 and yeah, it's a really nice matte foundation. Next thing I got is this lipstick. I tried this shade at my cousin's place and I absolutely loved it. The packaging and everything is so, again, pretty. It's a nice lightweight nude color, but it's not really light. Like shade wise, it's not like a light nude color. It's slightly on the darker side, but it's really comfortable on your lips and I love it. Next we have a product, something that I'm really excited to try. These days I've been loving tints because I think they give like a more natural feel to your makeup. Also, if you're going out and you don't want to put a lot of makeup but you just want a little bit of blush or like a tint, this is it. And this one's really lightweight, so I think it will look really nice on my lips and my cheeks. It will give like a nice natural बहुत बार natural बोलते हैं ना, natural effect. Moving on, next thing I got is this beauty blender. So earlier I was using the Pack Beauty blender, which was also really nice. But I wanted to buy something of like a new brand, so I went ahead with this one. And I mostly buy things on the basis of reviews. So this one had really good reviews, and I wanted to try something new, so I went ahead with this. Then we have this tinted primer. I don't even remember for how long I've been using this. It's so nice. It's matte finish and it's slightly tinted. So एक ना subtle glow देता है, and it gives like a nice canvas for your makeup. And this is I think my third or fourth bottle. So by this you know how much I love this product. Like it's called also the Blur Perfect, and it literally I think blurs out your pores, and it थोड़ा सा ग्लो देता है. I don't know what this is, but you get my point now. The last thing that I got is this nail paint. I wanted to get like a nice festive nail paint, and what better than glitter. I love that glitter nail paint. Maybe it has like small tiny circle glitter particles in it. So मुझे लगता है ये वो थोड़ा thick layer वाली अच्छी glitter nail paint होती है. It'll be that. I love the color. I mean, it's so pretty. What's not to love about it? I think in my upcoming videos, like festive videos, you're gonna see me wear this nail paint. Anyhow, that brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments below in case you want me to make a part 2 wherein I show you basic kurtis and jumpsuits and things like that, and I'll do that for you. Also, I really wanted to thank you for 70,000 subscribers and all the love that y'all are showing, especially on my shorts videos. It has just motivated me to make full-length videos on YouTube as well, so I'll do that again real soon. And yeah, with that, I'll see you in a new video super soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.